People often say crypto is Bitcoin, Ethereum, or even DeFi, but look around you. Stories of quick fortunes rarely come from these solid cryptos. They come from memecoins. So the real question is the real money in crypto in memecoins, and especially in trading them? Today I'm going to explain why some traders see memecoins as crypto's cash machine. A memecoin isn't a tech revolution. It's a crypto based on a meme, a joke, a viral image. But it's also the perfect asset for speculative trading. Super volatile, up 500% in one day, down 80% the next, driven by community and hype. A simple Twitter trend can trigger a huge pump. Explosive returns. A memecoin can multiply by 20 in a few hours, while Bitcoin takes years to double. Liquidity. On Solana or Ethereum, some memecoins have more trading volume than well-known cryptos like Cardano. To trade memecoins, use Dex Screener, Birdeye, Gecko Terminal to see which tokens are rising. Get in early with small amounts, 20 euros, 50 euros. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Have an exit plan. At 2x, take some profits. At 5x, get your initial investment back. Act fast. Memecoin trading is all about being quick. If you hesitate too much, you'll always be too late. Golden rules: diversify, don't put all your eggs in one meme coin, use fast wallets. Watch the liquidity. If it's low, you can't sell without crashing the price. Remember, 80% of meme coins go to zero. Mistakes to avoid: holding on too long out of greed, getting in when everyone is already talking about the token. For some, meme coins are just a giant casino. For others, it's a risky but potentially very profitable trading strategy. The truth? The real money in crypto is in meme coins only if you know how to trade them. Get in early, get out fast, and stick to your plan. So, is the real money in crypto in meme coins? Yes, but not by holding them as a serious investment. Yes, if you treat them as a speculative trading ground. The meme coin is a wave. You surf it or you get swallowed. Thanks for sticking with us. And if you liked this video, please like and subscribe for more content.